Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home, staying safe, staying healthy. Friends, today we are going to discuss some important MCQs of biology subject for NTSC. So without delay, let us start. Our first question is, which of the following tissues gives tensile strength against bending and swaying? So our option first is parenchyma, option second is collenchyma, third is sclerites, and fourth is all of these. So friends, our option number second is correct, collenchyma, because it is made up of dead tissues which provides mechanical support to plant. And our next question, question number 28 is, the ciliated columnar epithelial cells in humans are known to occur in. Our first option is bronchioles and fallopian tubes. Second option is bile duct and esophagus. Third option is fallopian tubes and urethra. Fourth option is eustachian tube and stomach lining. So friends, our first option, bronchioles and fallopian tubes, is correct. And friends, ciliated columnar epithelial cells. These are the primary target point of what? Of common cold viruses like influenza or rhinovirus. Friends, our next question, question number 29 is, reduction of nitrogen to ammonia by living organisms is called. Option number 1 is nitrification. Option number 2 is denitrification. Option number 3 is biological nitrogen fixation. Option number 4 is ammonification. Friends, in question it is given that living organisms, and in option number 3, the term biological is given, which normally states that this will be the correct because biological, this always refers to the living things. And the process nitrogen fixation, which is the process of reduction of nitrogen to ammonia. Our next question, question number 30, is pulmonary circulation is required for. Option number 1 is nutrient supply to lungs. Option number 2 is elimination of waste products from lungs. Option number 3 is oxygenation of deoxygenated blood. Option number 4 is nutrient supply to heart. So friends, our third option, option number 3, oxygenation of deoxygenated blood, is correct. And friends, pulmonary circulation, it is also known as systematic circulation, which means circulation of blood from heart between and between the other parts of body. This is also called systematic circulation. So friends, our next question, question number 31 is, in order to prevent STDs. Friend, what does this STD stands for? It stands for sexually transmitted disease. Which of the following is not correct? Means we have to choose the incorrect statement. First is avoid sex with unknown partners or multiple partners. Second is go to an unqualified doctor at earliest instant of STD. Option 3 is always use condoms during coitus. Option 4 is participate in sex education sessions. So friends, option number 2, go to an unqualified doctor at earliest instant of STD, is wrong because we should go to a qualified doctor so that we can get good medical health checkups and good advices for our health. And friends, our next question, question number 32 is, which of the following statement regarding evolution is false? So friends, our first statement is descent with modification. Who gave the statement? Darwin. The statement is given by Darwin and the statement is absolutely true. And our next statement is, in evolution, older species are eliminated during formation of new species. Friends, don't we see this statement is somewhat wrong because new species they are found, but older species are not completely eliminated in evolution. Our next statement is, evolved species are not always better than the parental species. This statement is correct because evolved species they cannot be always good than the parental species. There can be some defects also. And our option statement number 4 is, evolution depends upon natural selection and genetic drift. This statement is absolutely true. So friends, our option number 2, in evolution older species are eliminated during the formation of new species, is correct option. Friends, our question number 33. An analysis of soil sample revealed 0.5 milligram of pesticide and 1 milligram of same pesticide was found in grains during the soil. However, in the adipose tissue of birds which feed on those grains, the concentration was 2 mg. The reason for this phenomenon, and this phenomenon is known as, what does this is this phenomenon known as, friends? This is known as biomagnification, means increasing amount of chemical compounds or pesticides or harmful products of in the top consumers is and this phenomenon known as biomagnification. Friends, our next question number 34 is, given a few statements regarding the conducting elements of plants, which of the following is correct? First statement, tracheids and vessels are non-living xylem. It is true, absolutely true, they are non-living cells of xylem. And second option, in angiosperms, xylem vessels and tracheids conduct water and mineral efforts. Yes, this is true because xylem vessels, they are unique directional, and water moves from roots to upper parts of plants, so the motion is in upward direction. Third statement is, in non-flowering plants, tracheids are absent and vessels are only conducting cells. Friends, in this question, it is given that tracheids are absent, but in non-flowering plants, only tracheids are present for conduction purpose. And vessels, these are mostly absent in flowering plants. So friends, our which option will be correct? Our option number 1, statement 1 and 2 are true, and option number 1 is correct. Friends, our next question number 35 is, when parents P1 and P2 are crossed, F2 progeny was produced with 3 by 4 similar features in phenotype to P2 and F1, and 1 by 4 possessed contrasting traits. The traits being considered here are for height, with T for tall and small t for short. What will be the possible genotype of P1 and P2? Friends, in this question, we have to make the cross diagram for that, and after doing the cross diagram, we get which of the following options? We get small t and small t. This is the possible genotype of parent 1 and 1 by 4 of F2 generation. Friends, our next question number 33 is, which of the following is micronutrient? So friends, which of the following is micronutrient? So first option is sulfur, second is potassium, third is calcium, fourth is boron. So friends, our option number 4 is correct. Means boron. This is required in very less amount by plants. If it is amount is increased, this will be harmful for plants. And our next question number 35 is, which one generates heartbeat? So what generates heartbeat? So our option number, which is correct? Option number second is correct. SA node. This generates heartbeat in human beings. Friends, next question number 38. During short-term starvation means feeling of hunger. So during short-term starvation, most available food molecules are catabolized to provide energy for metabolism rather than being used as building blocks for growth and repair. A trade-off that is hormonally regulated by, what is this regulated by? What is the stored form of food in humans mostly? That is glucagon. So our option number second is correct. Friends, next question. Auxins IAA in plants are known to affect all the following phenomena except root initiation in cuttings. This is correct, friends. Then phototrophism of shoots. This is also, and inhibition of lateral burst. Means auxins, it affects all these phenomena. So option number 4, this is correct. Means all of these it affects, or option number 4 will be the answer. Question number 40, or we can say our last question number 40. That is, during mammalian labor and delivery, the contraction of uterine muscles is enhanced by, that is oxytocin. This is an example of, what is this example of? A negative feedback system? No. A hormone that acts in an ectogenistic way with another hormone? No. A hormone that is involved in positive feedback loop? Yes. This is an example of hormone that is positive and that is involved in a positive feedback loop. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and we will come with more other videos. Keep watching.